California figs are naturally sweet and can bring another dimension of flavor to energy bars, trail mixes, dairy and chocolate, and more. Plus, figs naturally replace refined sugars, making it an ideal ingredient for adding sweetness. The technical aspects are impressive as well. Low water activity makes California fig ingredients compatible with nuts, grains, and cereals. They also blend well with natural fruit flavors and exotic ingredients to carry and extend flavors. For example, this California fig bar uses fig powder as a moisture retainer, and fig paste is used as a binder, and diced figs provide texture and additional bursts of flavor. The unique combination of California fig ingredients results in a nutritionally rich product without refined sugar. One of my favorite desserts, the brownie, is taken to a new dimension by using California fig ingredients as substitutions in a sweet flavor system. The standard formula for brownies is simply flour, cocoa powder, sugar, butter, and eggs. In this version, we use fig ingredients to make interesting and clean substitutions. I substituted fig flour for some of the wheat flour, fig powder for some of the cocoa powder, fig juice concentrate for the sugar, and I added additional textures by mixing in fig pieces or sometimes even fig paste for more density and depth. The result is a fig fudge brownie. The cocoa flavors are made richer by the fig juice concentrate and fruitier by the fig flour. Fig pieces add additional texture and mouthfeel. For a nice finish, you can also dust fig powder over the top. Tune in to our next video to see the possibilities with California fig ingredients in rubs, marinades, and dressings.